Hello, guys. You know me. It's Scratch Cat. I have a very hello, guys. Pico here. I just wanted to tell you guys that Scratch Cat is at the hospital, but he is doing fine. Aha! I can't fall down the stairs if I don't move. Hello, guys. It's me, Scratch Cat, and I have a message about the Scratch Video Show. Part 2 of episode 4 is probably going to get cancelled because the creator really wants to work on episode 5. So, yeah, that was the message. Goodbye. No, 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 no!